Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Dogwifhat meme. It's pretty easy to get this meme coin. All you need to do is make sure you have your browser open, log on to coinmarketcap.com, link in the description. Once there, simply scroll down till you can find the Solana contract address. Please take note that this token exists on the Solana network. Once you've copied the contract address, simply scroll down till you get to the markets option. At the markets, you can find where this token is being traded on. We have MEXC, we have Radium, we have KuCoin, we have Gate.io. So I'll be showing you how to buy this on a decentralized exchange, which is the MEXC, and on a decentralized exchange, which happens to be Jupiter. So guys, minimize your browser, open up the Phantom wallet. We're going to be starting with the decentralized exchange. We're going to be working with the Phantom wallet as the wallet of choice. Once you've opened your Phantom wallet, make sure you have some mainnet Solana. Make sure you have this Solana on your wallet. And with the mainnet Solana on your wallet, head over to the browser section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on this browser icon, select the Jupiter, click on Jupiter, DeFi. Once jupiter.ag opens up, simply click on the connect wallet option and select Phantom. By doing this, you get to connect your account to the Jupiter exchange. Click on connect. And with that in mind, simply switch their places. And where we have the USDC, click on USDC and simply paste the contract address. That's the contract address for the WIF coin we copied. Click on it, enter the amount of Solana you wish to convert into the WIF token, and simply click on confirm or swap. And by doing that, you're going to have the WIF on your wallet. And you can confirm it by simply reloading and finding the WIF here. So guys, another option of getting yourself some of the Dogwifhat meme coin is basically opening up your MEXC. Make sure you've downloaded the MEXC application and you have an account. With an account on MEXC, you could easily buy the Dogwifhat meme. But if you do not have an account, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 1,000 USDT worth of welcome gifts when you register and verify. With a verified account, head to the markets option and simply search for the WIF USDT. Click on WIF USDT, that's WIF USDT. And as you can see, this is the price at which it's trading and the pair is the USDT. So make sure you've deposited some USDT at the wallet section at the bottom right. Once there, click on the deposit option and simply select USDT or select any cryptocurrency that can be converted easily into the USDT. So once you've selected any of them, make sure you copy the address that follows and simply deposit. So guys, with the deposit successful, head to the trade icon, click on Baby Elon USDT, click on Baby Elon USDT and simply search for WIF. Click on WIF USDT, select the limit drop down and select market, and we can buy it. We can proceed to buy at 0.366, which is the current price of the market. And once that's done, the WIF tokens would be on your spot. When you click on spot and reload, you'd find the WIF tokens here. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.